Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hello, this is a sample of this voice.
Passive income like it's magic. I don't buy it.
Yeah, same. It's marketed as sleep money, but there's upfront grind.
Right. And people skip that part. I built a course. It took months.
Exactly.
Hello, this is a sample of this voice. I am here to help you create prompt design, automation thinking, even AI ethics are paying wild money. Totally. Prompt design.
Yeah, but soft skills are sneaking up too. The people who can sell and lead AI teams.
Market in 2026 is driven by technology, creativity, and problem solving. Skills like artificial job market in 2026 is driven by technology, creativity. Cancel culture refers to the public practice of criticizing, boycotting, or withdrawing support from The job market in 2026 is driven by technology, creativity, and problem solving.